le fondateur et le président d'Opéra Gallery. Hello Culture Ham, I'm Gilles Dayan, I'm the founder and chairman of Opéra Gallery. Okay, so we started Opéra Gallery. I started Opéra Gallery in 1994. The first gallery was in Singapore. I established the first gallery in Singapore because we did the art fair there at this time, and the art fair was very, very successful. Since 2000, I bought back the shares of my ex-partner, and after I opened one gallery each year. So now we have 12 galleries around the world. We have 4 galleries in Europe. We are established in Paris, in London, in Geneva, in Monte Carlo. We have 4 galleries in Asia. So we have 2 galleries in Singapore, one in Seoul, one in Hong Kong. We have 2 galleries in Dubai, one in New York and one in Miami. And the concept we have for all the galleries is that we are exhibiting contemporary artists from all over the world, you know, emerging artists but also established artists. And this is mixed with some masterpieces who covered all the movement of the 20th century. So we have in the galleries, you know, a wide range of art that we can propose to our collector worldwide. This time I come normally once a year, you know, in the Korean gallery. We opened the gallery 4 years ago, so we're making, you know, next week the 4th anniversary of the gallery, and we will host at this occasion a very nice exhibition with masterpieces, you know, who covered a big part of the 20th century. I think Korean artists are very, very creative, very, very original. I think there is a big work to do, you know, to promote their work, you know, overseas in order to bring them, you know, at a higher level in terms of price. And I hope that we could contribute, you know, to this kind of thing. I like his work. I think it's very original, very colorful. His work is appreciated, you know, all over the world, because we send paintings by him already in Paris, in London, in New York, in Geneva, in Singapore and everywhere. And people love his work, so we try to promote him, you know, to market him. And I think he has a big future. So now we are buying, you know, all his production. And we are planning to make solo exhibition with him in galleries overseas next year. So in order to promote his work and to make the right marketing on him, we publish maybe a book also, maybe at the end of the year, next year, you know. The only problem, he has a small production because his work is very, very fine, so he doesn't produce so much. He produces around 20 paintings a year, but they are very nice, so it's okay. Worldwide, you know, we are going to expand the company mostly in Asia. So we are opening next year a new opera gallery in Beijing. 6 or 7 months after, we'll open one in Shanghai, also, you know, with the same partner. I have also some requests to open a new opera gallery in Los Angeles, but I will not do it next year, maybe in 2013, you know, on Rodeo Drive, with very, very strong partners who are in the movie business, you know, in the entertainment business. About the gallery in Korea, you know, so we need to do some good exhibition, you know, next year to attract more important collectors to the gallery. We want also to develop also from Korea, you know, the Korean contemporary artists that we could source here in Seoul and try to sell and to market and to exhibit in the other countries. And this is what we are planning.
For more information on all opera galleries worldwide, visit www.operagallery.com.